What are some of the challenges within, maintenance within a mine? How does someone improve their own maintenance program? What are some of the biggest common mistakes that you see and biggest challenges that you see?
I think in terms of challenges in mining, what differentiates it from other industries is only that you can be very remote. They never put great mineral deposits right next to a city. Unfortunately, they put them way out in where no one goes. But in terms of improving and how people go about improving, it really starts with just getting the culture right in the team. At some of the mine sites I've been to, one where we helped a few years ago, their mining fleet had never been to 90% availability before in like 15 or 16 years. And that was our challenge to help them get there. And they were at 90% availability in 6 months. All we did was enable those guys to work effectively as a team and focus on, the quality of the work that they do and the care for the equipment and the ownership of the equipment, all those sort of things.
Yeah, I mean, that's a common theme that we hear across so many people, which is, it's not just people, it's also the culture. And what you often find is that the people are already there with all of the knowledge up in here in your head, in their heads. It's
Yeah.
just building that culture to extract that information, give them the ownership, give the team the ownership to actually go out and solve those problems.